Hello friends and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make your Claude Code usage both free and unlimited. In the previous video I showed a way of using Ollama Cloud and Kimi K2.5 model. But the free tier of Ollama Cloud is pretty limited in usage. So the topic of today's video: can we get an free and unlimited AI usage? Short answer is yes, and I will show you how to do so in a moment. Once again, feel free to jump to any moment in the video using the timestamps below. We will use an alternative to Ollama, which is called an OpenRouter. In a nutshell, OpenRouter is a cloud API that gives you one API key that can access multiple AI models, including the free ones, and the ability to switch between them. So instead of being locked to a single provider, we can use this single API key and keep switching between all available models, virtually giving us an unlimited access. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Step 1 is to create your OpenRouter account. Open OpenRouter.ai website, sign up for a new account, or use login if you have one already. I will go straight into the documentation and the guidelines on how to integrate OpenRouter and Claude Code. All of the links and comments I'm using will be in the description box below. If you don't have Claude Code, then if you use macOS Linux or Windows Subsystem Linux or WSL, you can install it using the curl command or PowerShell if you use Windows. Let's show how it's done, but most likely you already have one installed. We can move to step 2 of how to connect Cloud to OpenRouter. The main step is to set up environment variables. The most important is the OpenRouter API key, or similarly the Anthropic auth token. You can go to openrouter.ai, your profile, and on the left side you will see API keys. Click there. In my case, I don't have any API keys yet because I created a new profile. Click create. Write name of this API key and credit limit of how much money this API key can use, and it will deactivate it if it reaches that limit. You can leave it as a blank and it will be unlimited, but since I want to make it completely free and ensure that I will not be charged anything, I will put 0 USD. We will create it. Here I'm not showing you this key because you should treat your API keys like your password. Copy paste API key. We will need to make another export which will show which Anthropic model to use. By default, you can use a couple of Anthropic models like Opus, Sonnet, Haiku, and so on, but we will use the models provided by OpenRouter. For this, we can go to the models section and type free in the search bar. You can see that for all these models, you are being charged 0 USD per million tokens input and output. This means that the models are completely free. You can copy whichever fitting your use case, if it is coding or writing a paper or summarizing news articles. But there is a chance that the model might not have enough available tokens if a lot of people are using it simultaneously. So for this, we can scroll all the way down to get free models router. This is a really amazing feature of OpenRouter API, is that it will select the free models at random from available list of free models. You can copy and insert into your environment variables here. After that, you are essentially done. You can write Cloud and you're in. You can see that we are using OpenRouter/free model. We can start a conversation. It is thinking and gives us some answers. A couple of side notes here. Some folks are saying that you need to upload at least 10 USD to use this free OpenRouter option. For the context, I did not pay anything here, but it still works. And the beauty of the OpenRouter free model API is that you would automatically choose which free model is available to use. But once again, the downside is that not every AI model has equal strengths and weaknesses in every task. You do not have control which one will be chosen because they're chosen at random. But it is unlimited and it is free. If you want to use this OpenRouter free API globally, just export these bash commands in your terminal configuration script, be it bashrc, zshrc, profile, whichever it is you're using, and start calling Claude Code and use it for free. That's it for today. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you have any problems with OpenRouter or this setup. In the meantime, have a good one.